A for avocado. B for ball. C for car. D for duck. E for egg. F for flower. G for girl. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nuts. O for onion. P for pepper. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for ship. T for train. U for on. V for vegetables. W for water. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zoo.